It's a website where you can pretty much post anything you want about anyone at any time, pictures included, if you feel they've wronged you. But tonight, a Kansas City woman says that site has caused her tremendous grief, and she's filed suit.
It's so wrong what this website is doing, and it's ruining people's lives.
She doesn't want us to use her full name, but 25-year-old Stephanie is filing suit against a popular website. KCTV5 has chosen not to give the name of the site for this story. Stephanie says it was earlier this year she got involved with a man who, unbeknownst to her, had a girlfriend. She says when that girlfriend found out, she posted Stephanie's picture, full name, city, and occupation on a website based out of Phoenix. The posting was laced with so many derogatory comments and profanity, we can't show it to you. Stephanie's best friend saw the post and gave her the bad news.
She text messaged me and said, "Oh my gosh, please don't freak out, but you need to visit this link." And so I did, and it was awful. I mean, it was humiliating.
Stephanie says she wrote the site upwards of a dozen times asking the post be removed. When that didn't happen, she called a lawyer.
It is a very parasitic website, and its only purpose is to inflict suffering and to bring people's anger and hatred out and then use that to make money off of it.
Matthew O'Connor is representing Stephanie and says while there's a protection out there for websites like AOL and Google to provide a portal of sorts for free-flowing information, whether true or not, he says that protection no longer exists once the owners of the site add their own comments or edit it. And that's exactly what he claims the owners of this site did. The attorney says this posting appeared after the site removed the original post, but then found out about the pending lawsuit. In the post, the owner calls Stephanie a, quote, girl of God. She works at a local church who's trying to hide things from her church. He then asks his readers to fill him in on Stephanie because now it's game on. The website has a clear disclaimer at the bottom warning readers and posters alike that it's a gossip website and that they're not responsible for anything that's posted.
You can't put a waiver on legal liability. And what he's doing is an intentional act to harm individuals, and he's profiting from it, upwards of $100,000 a month.
For Stephanie, it's a matter of protecting other women out there like her, and says she's already been contacted by women who feel they were victimized as well.
I just don't think that as a society we can sustain something like this forum for people to just bash one another like this. I mean, freedom of speech is one thing, but this is malicious.
We sent an email to the owner of that website looking for comment on our story, but as of news time, haven't heard back. Amy Anderson, KCTV5 News.